everybody, welcome to the Vibe Night episode with our immensely talented Zia Khan. Hi Zia, how are you?
Hey, I'm good. What about you?
I'm good too. Are you excited?
Yes, definitely.
Well, I'm excited too. I wanted to know a little bit more about you and your field. So, you're a musician, right?
Yes.
So, what got you started in music?
Basically, I came to Vadodara when I was in sixth grade, basically like 4-5 years ago,
Yeah.
and I tried joining the school orchestra. But that time, I was not so much dedicated to music, and I got rejected for playing in the annual concert in the orchestra as a lead guitarist.
Oh.
And I swore to myself that I need to prove that I can do it. And the next year I played as the lead guitarist. So that's how I got started, and inspirations from different places, singers, artists.
Wow, that's wonderful. And your music and your singing is absolutely beautiful. I love it. So, what is your inspiration for singing or looking at other artists?
So basically I don't have particular artists that I look at, but like any random song that gets stuck in my head. And basically there are different kinds of artists I listen to and work upon the songs that they make and improvise them. So there are artists like English singing artists like Shawn Mendes, Ed Sheeran, Billie Eilish, Selena
Yeah.
Gomez, Taylor Swift. I look at them, even Camila Cabello. So that's how I work on it.
Wow, well, those are also my favorite artists to listen to.
Yeah.
So, what are your goals?
Basically, like in music, if I talk about, I want to be a player, like a lead guitarist who could play anywhere, and want to get into more of singing. But my parents don't support me much into that field. Like it's fine until it's a hobby for me, not as a profession.
Oh, okay. So, why did you particularly choose music?
It's something that keeps me alive every second. Like even when I feel low, it's there with me. Even when I feel happy, it's there with me. So it's like my best friend.
Yeah, so yeah, it's actually right. Like music feeds your soul.
Exactly.
So, for you, is music a career option?
Definitely it is a career option. Like my parents keep it like 50-50.
Yeah.
Like I want to get into MIT first of all. So like I don't tell anyone easily about it, but I want to get into it, and then I want to play guitar, or sing, or reach out to people like about music.
Yes. Wow, that is really wonderful. That's really nice. So, what is the advantage of having learned music compared to not having learned?
The advantage is that even at 3 a.m. when you feel alone, you play guitar, sing, and when you are in public, you definitely can sing. Like there's no one gonna tell you that "Arey yaar, band kar, you don't know how to sing." Or
Yeah,
"Arey yaar,
that's
please
true.
don't." Yeah.
So now, Zia, we would all love if you could sing for us, and we would all love to hear your beautiful voice.
Actually, I had ice cream last night, so I'll cover lead guitar of Shayad. Is that fine?
No, no. Whatever you feel like.
Sure. Sure. Okay. Wait, just tell me if I'm audible.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
I've got to clap for that. That was really beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
So now you play guitar. So why that
Yeah.
particular instrument?
Basically, I randomly chose it, and I had no idea I would get this far into it and get this involved with it. And guitar was something that I chose because, like people think it's cool.
Yeah.
But that was me 4 years ago. Yeah, now I just hide my face and then play and then keep it.
Well, that is wonderful. So, how
Yeah.
did you develop an interest in music, and what is the future goal?
The interest I developed was basically due to, as I talked about, that I got rejected from playing in the school orchestra.
Yes.
Also, I got inspired by a musician who was in the Indian composer. His
Oh.
name is Amal Malik, if you know him.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So he came to MSU like the same year.
Yeah.
And when I saw him singing live, the way he did, the artists that were around him, they inspired me so much into music. So I, started searching about music and how to play guitar. I had this guitar, I kept it aside. I didn't do anything with it for like 7 to 8 months.
Oh.
And then I, started learning online, like seeing websites, videos. Even my teacher in my school helped me out with it. So that's how it
Wow.
has helped me. Yeah.
That's really wonderful. So now this has definitely inspired some of the other musicians out there and definitely inspired
Right.
me because right now I want to
Oh, wow.
like somehow pursue music because I
Oh,
heard
wow.
so much good things about it from you. I heard like the
Yeah.
little details.
Basically, you should. That would be really nice. We'd wait for your cover on the Vibe page.
Oh, definitely. You'll be ready for that.
For sure.
So now, what is the one thing you'd like to say to all of the other musicians and artists out there?
Well, the only one thing that I'd like to say is that there are 80% of musicians who have issues with their, parents, that they tell that don't follow music completely. They think that music is something that's not gonna go a long way for them, and it's difficult. I agree that's difficult in a way because there are so many struggles that you need to go through,
Yeah.
and there are these heart and mind wars that keep on going. That do I proceed in it or do I not? So to all those musicians and artists or singers, or be it whoever listening to, just try follow your heart. Be in whatever way it is to be. And that's like, even though if it doesn't get you much, like famous or anything, it'll get you happiness, and that's the best thing about it.
Wow, that was such inspiring words, Zia. You have inspired all of us today, and this Five Light episode has really brought a smile to all of our faces. So, thank you so much, Zia, for coming on to this Vibe Light episode.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Be tuned for more Vibe Light episodes. Until then, do follow the Vibe page on Instagram and Facebook, and do subscribe to the Vibe YouTube channel. Until then, do keep
Yes.
vibing. You also,
Keep
Zia, do keep
vibing.
vibing.
Yes, keep vibing.
Thank you so much, Zia. We hope you have a great day.
Thank you. Hope you to have a great day.
Thank you so much.